Hello from LegalShield. We believe every business, including yours, deserves legal protection. But first things first, what is legal protection and why should you want it for your small business? Quite simply, a legal protection plan gives you access to knowledgeable, experienced attorneys at an established law firm for a low monthly fee. Having access to an attorney can help with all kinds of things you may not have even realized. Things ranging from hiring and firing, to equipment leases, from customer complaints to bad check recovery, and much more. An attorney can help you make the best decisions for your business and your future while ensuring you know your full legal rights. And that's always a good thing. So, legal protection for your small business is a smart choice. Now, why choose LegalShield? For starters, LegalShield has been in business for 40 years. And right now, thousands of businesses trust LegalShield for their legal protection plans. LegalShield has partnered with a dedicated full-service law firm in your state, which means two things. One, you never have to figure out which attorney to use since we've already done the legwork. And two, you always get an experienced attorney from your state dedicated to helping you and your business. Just pick up the phone and you'll be connected with a dedicated attorney experienced in the specific legal issue you want to talk about. And when you choose LegalShield, the legal plan is tailored to your size business. There are 3 levels to fit different businesses. If you have 10 or fewer employees, enrolling in our Small Biz 10 is just $39 a month. 50 or fewer employees, and our Small Biz 50 is just $89 a month. 100 or fewer employees, and our Small Biz 100 is only $149 a month. All levels give you legal consultation on unlimited matters, business law expertise, contract and document review, debt collection assistance, and more. Plus, Small Biz 50 and Small Biz 100 members are covered with 75 hours of trial and trial prep time per year. This means that if your business is named defendant or respondent in covered civil action relating to business, you have the peace of mind that a prepared, experienced attorney is on your side. In review, legal protection is good, and choosing LegalShield is even better. Unexpected legal questions come up every day. With LegalShield on your side, your business has access to a respected law firm for covered situations. So make the smart decision. Choose affordable, reliable legal protection for your business today. Only with LegalShield. Worry less, live more.